Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 cordless jig saw. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Yofidra Brushless 19mm Electric Jig Saw. Specifications. Brand name, Yofidra. Power source, battery. Use, home DIY. Motor, brushless motor. Motor power, 900 watts. Repetitive stroke, 19mm. Speed, 800 to 350 revolutions per minute. Product number 4, 5-speed 65mm cordless jig saw. Specifications. Brand name, 1/5. Max. Cutting depth, 65mm. No load speed, 2,700 revolutions per minute. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Power source, battery. Blade type, T-shank. Weight, 1.8 kilograms. Product number 3, Jigsaw Brushless Electric Jig Saw. Specifications. Brand name, Jigsaw. Power source, battery. Motor, brushless. Output power, 1000 watts. Rotational speed, 0 to 3,500 revolutions per minute. Reciprocating stroke, 26mm. Number of strokes, 0 to 6,000 SPM. Swing position, for swing positions. Bevel cutting angle, left and right 45 degrees. Product number 2, Electric Goddess Cordless Jig Saw. Specifications. Brand name, Electric Goddess. Model number, QXJ007. No load speed, 3,500 revolutions per minute. Rated input power, 750 watts. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Adjustable cutting angle, 45 degrees. Weight, 1.8 kilograms. Battery included, no. Product number 1, Wonvan Brushless Electric Jig Saw. Specifications. Brand name, Wonvan. No load speed, 3,500 revolutions per minute. Power source, battery. Motor, brushless. Output power, 1000 watts. Rotational speed, 0 to 3,500 revolutions per minute. Reciprocating stroke, 26mm. Cutting depth, wood, 135mm, aluminum, 20mm, mild steel, 10mm. Number of strokes, 0 to 3,000 SPM. Cutting gear adjustment, 5. Swing position, 3 swing positions. Cutting angle, left and right 45 degrees.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.